Welcome into another woolly review. I have got Cygnet Little Ones DK. Now I found this on Lincoln Wool Pack for 85p, which was the cheapest that I could find it. This says it's the shade Uber Cranberry 993. Not that we're here for the colour, but you know, I'm just letting you know. So this is a 25-gram ball, 100% acrylic. It is saying needle hook size is 3.5 to 4.5. Now the reason why this small, I only have a very, very small need for it, hence the small size of it. Now feeling it, it feels rather nice. It does feel rather nice, but how it works up, honestly, I don't know yet. But I'm about to find out, because I'm going to make a swatch and see what is what. Of course, I'm using my hook, specially made by Jelena over at Cutlery Designs. Her details are down below. Oh, it's so soft. It's soft. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I am actually quite surprised how soft that is. Oops, wrong. I'm going to do 2 rows of single crochet, 2 rows of half double and 2 rows of double before frogging. So a little swatch will be made up. It feels rather nice. I like this. The feeling of it is rather nice. So yeah, this is by Cygnet. And this is the first time that I've grabbed one of these. It's actually the first time I've ever seen it. And we're not here to judge my awful, awful, awful crochet. No, 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 no. I mean, heck, if that's the game that you want to play, go for it. But, oops, half double. We're here just to judge the wool. There's a slight stretchiness to it. I can hear it on my hook, not squeaking, but I can hear it on my hook. But it's certainly gliding on the hook well, which of course is a bonus. Now this was 100% acrylic, right? Yeah, 100% acrylic. Let's do that there, because then at least you can see it. Maybe. Maybe. So yeah, it's only a little project that I needed this for, so I didn't need a massive ball of wool, just enough to make a couple of appliques. Was more than enough for me, hence buying a little one. And of course the little ones as well as the larger all have their place, all have their needs. We all have different projects going on. Why buy a huge ball when only a little one will do? And these little ones A to Z DK were the perfect one for me at the time. And I thought, well, not used you before, let's give it a go then. Let's hope it's okay. Now granted, the project that I'm going to be doing with this is it's not going to be worn, but that won't stop me telling you whether I'd want it near my skin or not. So So let's spin around. Feels quite nice. It's very light and airy. And I've got to say, I'm having no problems with it in my hands at all. Whoops. Even though I keep doing doubles instead of single crochets. Come back, you. Okay, it's the last row of singles. And go into some half doubles. Last half double going in, and then last we do one row of doubles. Oh, the pup over the road is making food and it is wafting over here, and I'm sat here crocheting while salivating. Oh my gosh. Pub grub. Nom 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 nom. Okay. Almost at the end. And the last one going in. There we go. Put the hook down. And by the way, all the info for the hanky markers and the hanky keyrings, all the information is down below in the description, along with the information for Jelena, for the hook, and of course for the wool I'm using today. I quite like that. I don't know if I'd want it as a main garment. Like, it's not rough, but I don't think it's quite soft enough for my skin. I'm delicate. It is soft, but I'd probably, if it was a garment wise, I'd probably want it as a cardigan or a jumper rather than a main top. So let's do a slow frog. And then we're going for a rip it, 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 rip it. It's doing pretty good. Ta-da! Fair little bit of kinkage there, I'd say. I was expecting it to be a lot more kinky, I must say. And no, it's not that kind of channel. Get your head out the gutter. I didn't mean it like that. But not bad. I think it feels about the same as the ball as it does when it works up, which is, it's a nice thing, because sometimes you do kind of feel the ball and go, oh, it's nice and soft, and then you work it up and it's not quite as nice. This is about the same, worked up as it is like this. So what am I going to give Cygnet Little Ones? Would I turn my back on it? No. Would I be extremely annoyed if I was desperate and that was the only thing left in the shop? No. Would I be, well, that's in my top 5 And you haven't got the others? Okay, yes, fine, I'll take it. Well, yeah, I could do that. Would I be? Woohoo, that's in my top 3. Oh yeah, let's go for that one. I'm going to go and push it to a 4.5 for the little ones. It is lovely and soft. It works up really nicely. If it was that little bit softer, which let's face it, if it goes in the wash, maybe not. It will soften even more. I don't know. But working with it in its rawness, I like it. I like it a lot. It is soft. I'd be happy to sit there and use it for a bigger project, but maybe just not for something that was permanently next to the skin. I mean, you don't want to be wearing knickers made out of it because, yeah, no. Anywho, so that's my review. 4 out of 5 ladybirds for the Cygnet Little Ones A to Z DK. As I said, all the info is down below, as is the thumbs. They're down there as well. It'd be really appreciated if you could. And of course, if you want to come back, there's a subscribe button down there as well. That would be really appreciated. And if you want to get on the super wheel, another way of doing it, there's a thanks button down there. Any increment of £5 will get you 1 entry each increment onto the super wheel, which is spun at the end of the month. Maybe you want to get on there. Hey, it'd show me that this kind of thing's really appreciated, just as much as I appreciate you guys. So for now, I'll say take care, have a good one, and hopefully see you next week. Bye bye.